Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Backyard Living. Today we decided, we haven't done an episode in a while, so I came up with the idea, let's go outside on this kind of a beautiful evening. It's not real cold, probably about 40 degrees, 45 degrees. And let's try to make an apple fritter. Of course, I have no idea how to make an apple fritter, but I said to myself, well, I'm going to chop up some apples. I'm going to add some cinnamon and sugar to it. I'm going to throw it in a pan. I'm going to take some bread, fry it up in a pan, smash them together, and see what I get. So, first of all, we're going to go ahead and, as you see, say hi to the folks at home. Matthew, my son. My wonderful son. He's trying to get his hobo stove going here. I almost forgot the name of that stove. But actually, let's get this. This freaks me out every time. I don't think I need it that high. How about that? All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to start out. I already have my chopped up, add a little bit of butter to this. I got chopped up apples with cinnamon and sugar. Added a little bit of water to it. I'm going to add some butter. But first of all, I'm going to get, hopefully I brought all the right utensils out here. Yeah, I got some butter here, or margarine. Tablespoon in there. It's already cooking away. I'm going to turn this down a little bit because it is really hot. Man, you don't need that much to get this going, I'll tell you that.
Not much at all, probably. But yours is still having an issue.
Yeah,
how far does it go down?
I don't know, let's try to.
As far as it'll go.
Right there. I don't want it to go off. There we go, that's much better. I don't want to burn it. There we go, that's better. I'm going to add the apples and try to caramelize those apples. You see how I use that fancy
word, guys.
Fancy word. Caramelize.
Fancy word.
All right, well, let's add the apples in. All right, we got our apples right here. Okay, we're going to add them in.
Oh, yeah. The sound of that was just great.
Alright, see. Alright. Got our apples in there. I'm gonna cook those in there. Right there. But yeah, there we go, guys. We got it all. Got our apples. We're gonna caramelize these apples. I love to say that now, caramelize. So, guys, in the comments, tell us
more things we can do.
Yeah, let us know. Give us some ideas on some things we can do. We're planning on eventually going to some cool places here in Ohio and exploring, like maybe some abandoned buildings, some parks that they have stated are haunted, and just different things we're going to try to find and explore. Maybe do some Bigfoot hunting.
Oh man.
So yeah, we will be having some excursions.
Most of those videos will be on the Paranormal Adventures channel. Please check that out in the link below.
Oh yeah, check out the Paranormal Adventures channel.
He's just getting started with that.
Yeah,
technically.
There's some really cool stuff going on there. Yeah, and that kind of fits right into a little bit of what we do. Backyard living. They kind of go hand in hand, especially when we go on some of our excursions out and about, like when we visited Helltown here in Ohio. And that was
featured on Paranormal Adventures.
Yeah, that was fun.
It was interesting. Definitely want to go back there again just to do RC stuff, things like that. The place is awesome to go to. I can tell you that.
You dropping stuff there? Hey, girl. This is Mocha, everybody. She's saying hello. She smells the food.
As usual.
Base for our apple fritter, piece of bread there. Toasting it up. Auction that we're creating. Oh shoot, I dropped it.
Wow.
It's dead. I killed another one.
Scared him nuts. You scared me, dude.
Oh,
You scared me,
we
dude.
sacrificed another one, guys.
I'll eat it. I don't care.
It's hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Yeah, hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot.
Look what this man is using as a table. What's going on here?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. I can't even figure it out. Woo. Onto the thing here. See what I'm doing here. A couple apples I missed.
What's going on there?
All right.
I'm just a little confused.
All right.
You almost put that thing upside down. That was fun.
A little burn on top.
Little.
A little bit.
Charcoal.
Ooh, it's getting hard now. Yeah, that's the way I wanted it. All right. All right, let's get our destination plate ready here. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but here, why don't you come over here a minute?
Oh, sure. Why not?
Hold this plate. All right. I'm gonna try.
Burns me on your
I'm not. Watch your fingers. Oh, it's hot. Handle. This is hot.
You're burning the plate.
It's a little burnt. It's a little burnt. All right. Well, we're gonna do the tasting test here, guys. Our fritter got a little bit burnt, but you know, some people like their stuff extra toasted. So we're gonna give this bad boy a taste here. All right. Let me see if I can get it somewhat in a way that I can taste it. It looks like it's a little bit hot right now. Let me see. Ooh. It's a little bit falling apart. Let me try the apple part of it. Oh my gosh. Try an apple part. What am I getting here?
That says mom.
I don't know. I gotta go in for a second one, guys. It's weird.
A little bit.
It's really weird.
It's a little weird.
I think it wasn't so burnt. All right, I'm going in for a big bite right here. Oh! All right. Let's talk about the problem first. Toasting a piece of bread so that it tastes like apple crust or turnover type of, it's not happening here. It wouldn't have been so bad if I didn't burn the bread, over toast it. It would have been okay. The apple part of it is not bad, probably a little bit burnt. I probably overly candied it, like I kept. Yeah, so I think the overall problem with it is the fact that it's burnt, and the fact that the bread just didn't have enough of a crusty, apple fritter, apple pie type of thing. We're gonna have to try to improve this as we go, because this is I can't eat any more of it. It's like It's like tasting a big bite of apple pie mixed with
Ooh, yeah.
charcoal. Like, it's like liquid smoke. Like, I just took liquid smoke and poured it all in my mouth as I'm biting into it.
We're
We
done.
are done. We are
Done.
glad you joined us. We are going to have to definitely improve our backyard cooking skills because that was pretty bad. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to, if you like this sort of thing. I don't know, this is pretty messed up, but if you like this sort of thing, subscribe to us. Hit that like button, please. Smash it. And comment. Check out our other channels below, like his other channel, Paranormal Adventures. And all right, we'll see you next time. Over and out.